Okay, in this video I'm going to show you my air compressor setup, and I'm going to tell you why I chose PVC hose over, let's say, PVC pipe or any other pipe. About 100 feet of PVC hose, and I put this hose in line with my air compressor, and I put a quick disconnect about 4 feet off the ground. This way I can get to the front of the car or the rear of the car on this side of the garage, and it goes straight down to a ball valve where I can drain the water. If there's any water buildup, I can drain the water in here. There's also a brass T adapter there, so it allows me to put another hose, and I'm going down to the bottom of the garage to the right side of the garage, and on the bottom there I have another brass T with a ball valve, and if any water gets in there, I can drain the water from this side of the garage because I have a quick disconnect about 4 feet off the ground here. And this disconnect allows me to take a short hose, and I can reach out into the driveway. I can air up my tires on this side of the garage, and then this hose goes up, or I have another brass T, and it goes across to the other side of the garage, and it goes down to about another 4 feet where I have another quick disconnect. Can't see it because the car's in the way, but then I also have another ball valve on the bottom. I can drain the water if there's any water gets on that side of the hose. So I like this because I can work on my cars with just a short air line. Before I had a 50-foot air line, and I had to unravel the whole air line just to get to either side of the garage, and it was kind of a pain just to unravel that thing back up whenever I was working on something. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and in my next video I'll show you how to make your own custom length hoses. I'll show you the fittings you need and the tools you need, and I look forward to hearing your comments in my next video.